in your way, 'cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me.
So yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna put a lip balm first, and then for the primer I'm gonna use my Elf Mineral Infused Face Primer. I'm using the clear one. Place that all over my face and then pat it on the center of my face. And then for the foundation I'm gonna use my Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation from NYX in shade Natural 03. I'm just gonna first do my other half face using a flat kabuki brush, and then I'm gonna blend it. And then I switched to my regular setting for the lighting. As you can see, it's changed. And for my contour, cream contour, I'm gonna use my Pro.conceal HD High Definition Concealer from, yes, and shade Beautiful in Bronze. And yes, I did put too much. I'm just gonna wipe the brush, the excess, to a towel or a tissue. But don't worry, I'm gonna blend it later on. I'm just gonna fix it later. Just gonna keep moving on. And for the concealer, I'm gonna use my Maybelline New York Fitme concealer in shade 20. Just placing that to my center of my face as usual. And I'm using a damp sponge. And then for a powder, I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in shade Light. I'm just gonna lightly, or not so lightly, dust it all over my face. Yes, and for the brown, I'm gonna use my ABH Dipbrow Pomade in shade Medium Brown. And I'm gonna do my usual eyebrows routine, and then I'm gonna clean up my brows. I'm gonna use my M.A.C Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20, and I'm just gonna do some flake eyebrows. And then also using the same concealer, and use it as my eyelid primer. Just gonna pat it over my eyelid and blend. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna first use the shade Peach, and then I'm gonna use first the shade Peashes'n'cream to set the eyelid, and then for the crease shade I'm gonna use but first I'm gonna bake my under eye first. And for the crease I'm gonna use shade Puree. And I'm gonna use a delectable shade from Sweet Peach, of course. Also put that to my crease and also blend it afterward. After placing it and then blending it. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm gonna take another darker violet purpley shade, and the shade Talk Debris to Me, and I'm gonna place that to the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna blend it again. I'm gonna go back to the puree shade to blend everything. Using the same brush, same fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna go back to the shade Delectable again to blend. And then I'm gonna do the same process that I did to my upper eyelid to my lower lash line. I'm gonna use first Puree and then Delectable and then Talk Debris to Me. And then I'm gonna do some half cut crease to my inner part of my eyelids. I'm using the same MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. And then for setting that cut crease, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution London Vivid Big Highlighter. Makeup Revolution London Vivid Big Highlighter in shade Peach Lights. And then I'm gonna take the shade Delectable again to blend the light shadow and the dark in the middle. Oh my god, what am I talking about? And then I'm gonna take my Essence Metallic eyeliner in gold and just gonna place that to the upper line of the cut crease. And then I'm gonna take also from Essence a liquid ink liner in black and do some cut eye wing, and I'm gonna also gonna take from Essence Extreme Lasting Matte Eyeliner in shade 02. It's a matte eyeliner. I'm gonna put that to my waterline and also to my tight line in. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop that mink lashes, false lashes. And then for the mascara, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Lash Blast Volume Mascara in shade black, of course. I'm gonna go back to my CoverGirl loose powder. And for contour, I know I already have a contour face, and then I'm gonna do more contouring and just gonna take my e.l.f. contour and highlight palette and taking that shade and also contouring my nose super poorly. Oh my gosh. And for the blush, I'm gonna use my Christine Long Lasting blush in shade Natural Beauty in or 25. Then I'm gonna set my entire face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. Then I'm gonna dab the sponge to my face. blend everything. And for the highlight, I'm gonna use the same highlight shade that I used to my eyelid, and it's the peach light. But later on, I'm gonna use another highlight from the same brand, and then the shade Moonlight to diffuse the pinkness of the highlights. Yeah, I'm just gonna highlight all over my face to glow. And yes, this is the shade Moonlight. Just placing it to the outer of my cheekbones, not to the inner part of my cheekbones, if that makes sense. Whatever. Then I'm gonna take the peach light highlighter to highlight my inner corner of my eyelash. What the heck? And I'm really gonna take that to my inner corner, and then I'm gonna then I'm gonna spray my face again. And then for the lip liner, I'm gonna use my LA. And for the lip liner, I'm gonna use my Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner in shade Lovely Frappuccino. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use my NYX Matte Lipstick. I'm gonna use two shades. First shade, I'm gonna use the butter, and then Indie Flicks afterwards. I'm just gonna use a pencil, a lip liner brush for the second lipstick. And then for the lip gloss, I'm gonna use my NYX Make a Shine lip gloss in shade Tea Rose. And I'm also gonna set my eyebrow with my Essence of Volume Stylist mascara, as always. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below. That will be nice, even just a little bit. Yeah. Bye.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell